How to recover call history on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily recover or restore your deleted call history. So first thing what you want to do is, first thing I will simply show you from an example. Let's say I want to delete this call history from my contacts over here. So let me just quickly delete it. And once I delete it, I will simply head back to the Play Store application and make sure you're currently logged into your account and just download this application, which is called SMS Backup and Restore. For this method to work, you will need or require this application over here, and simply open this. Once you install it, then just tap on Get Started button over here. Simply allow everything, and once you're inside here, you just need to click on the Setup Backup and just enter your Google account or the account in which your all of your contacts are synced. So for now, I would like to store it on all of my calls and messages as a backup on my Google Drive. So I'll simply log in with my Google Drive account first and simply click on OK. And for now, I'll simply wait for a few seconds until it loads up. And from over here, just scroll down and click on continue. And just like that, your authentication will be completed successfully. Now you can simply select a folder inside your drive. And you can just click on use this folder over here and click on save. And just click on save next once again from over here. And to ensure reliable serial backups, you need to give them a permission to set alarms and reminders. Just click on settings and click on allow permission, and just select hourly from over here and just click on backup now and just wait for a few seconds. So what it basically does is it will keep a track of every single contact's history from your call logs onto this backup of your Google Drive from now on. And once your backup is complete, once you delete any of the call logs from your call logs contacts, you can simply head back to the application itself just like this and simply tap on this view details to view all of your details of call history just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.